My name is Hallie Azure. I am a part of the Turtle Mountain Band of Chippewa. When I first initially applied for the American Indian College Fund, I really didn't think much of it. I just thought of it as some regular scholarship my mom was just trying to have me fill out. Honestly, this has been one of the best scholarship programs I've been a part of. I don't think I would be the student I am today, and I really do thank the College Fund.
Native students need community to thrive, to be felt supported. I worked in higher ed for over 20-something years, and those are the things that I hear from students constantly, is that it was so overwhelming for me when I went to university. I didn't know who to talk to. I didn't know where resources were. I felt like I didn't belong. So the thing is to create that sense of belonging and then just giving them an opportunity to get exposed to different careers.
So being here at the boot camps really opened my eyes that, you can go to bigger universities and they have that Native and cultural support for a student.
Representation, I think, does matter, to be able to connect with somebody who you relate to and that who you can see yourself in.
Being Native American, you don't see that representation a lot, especially in the professional realm.
I work at Apache Behavioral Health, and there's not really any Native American therapists. Everyone is a non-Native, and I want to change that.
All of the people that we were able to bring together over the last 2 days are all very passionate about mentorship.
Being able to just get in contact with so many strong influences. I've met 2 pharmacists that I plan to get in contact with. It's honestly been a godsend.
Also, being first generation, nobody's went to school in my family. And so to see that other scholars like me that are first gen, that we're able to be here together.
To be in a room where everyone is sharing the same goals and passions in life is just super inspiring. Makes me want to do more, makes me want to just stride and keep going after my goals, my dreams.
Before, I had no intentions of going to medical school. It was a dream of mine. At the end of these boot camps, there's not a question in my mind. It's just why can't I do this? It's I can do this, I can do this, I can do this.
And we're not alone. We are not alone. We carry our ancestors here with us, and we are the light for the youth. And so if we say no, how are we going to set a good example for them? But just say yes.
The College Fund has the most supportive staff that you could ever meet. I can't even describe the amount of support that they give. It's amazing.
I don't think I would be the student I am today, and I really do thank the College Fund.